today other than dance and school, so it's gonna be a chill. Primer. I just got the hiccups. See? Okay. I guess this is like a makeup challenge. A makeup challenge where I have to try to do my makeup and tell you how to do it with the hiccups. So fun. Contour. Oh, they're painful hiccups. Okay. Time to blend. Highlighter time. Okay. Now I like this highlighter, but it covers up my blush a lot. So I'm taking the hair clips out and I'm gonna brush my hair and then I'm gonna start my lashes. Lashes curled. This is kind of scary, doing lashes with the hiccups. Final look.